Here's how to fix Genmoji on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you wanted to use the latest Genmoji feature to create emojis, but it's not working or not showing up, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's hop into the settings here on your iPhone. And from here, we need to check and do a couple of things. First, we need to tap on General and About at the very top. Now, there are some requirements to creating a Genmoji and having that feature on your phone. The first requirement is that you need an iPhone 15 or an iPhone 16. It can be the Pro version or the Pro Max version, but you need 15 or 16. If you have an iPhone 14, iPhone 13, iPhone 12, any of those different ones, it just is not a feature accessible to those phones. Now, the second thing we'll do is we'll go back here and tap on Software Update. And you need to get the latest iOS 18.2 operating system. After you've done that, now you set everything up to create or turn on Genmoji. After we've done that, let's just go back here. And you can see under Action button is Apple Intelligence. Let's tap on that. You need to, of course, turn on Apple Intelligence because Genmoji is a feature for Apple Intelligence. So turn this feature on, and you might need to wait until it downloads all the files onto your phone. Make sure you have a good Wi-Fi connection to be able to do that. You might need to plug in your iPhone, physically plug it in to charge, so it'll download all those files. Now, the last thing you need to do, and something that made it not work on my phone, was I need to tap on General, scroll down and tap on Keyboard. And then at the very bottom is Stickers. You need to turn on the sticker emoji keyboard for you to get that Genmoji feature to pop up. Now, after we've done all those things, let's hop into Messages here and just tap on a message with myself. And now to find it, we'll tap on it to basically start typing a message. But instead of typing a message, we'll tap on that little smiley face at the bottom left. From here, you can see at the very top right, it says describe an emoji, and there's a little plus right there. So I can tap on the plus, and now I can start describing my own Genmoji. So I'm going to say something like a cow surfing in Hawaii. And hit go. And it will just start generating that Genmoji. It says new Genmoji at the very top, beta. And it will start creating something. I can just keep swiping over until I see one that I really like. It'll just start creating them over and over and over. It will create new ones as I swipe over. Let's say I like this one. I'm going to use this one. Just hit add here. And just like that, it will add that Genmoji in there. I can hit send. And you can see if I swipe over at the very bottom, it shows those Genmojis that I have created on my phone so that essentially I have those on there. I can always delete them down the road, save them, rearrange them, or anything like that. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.